Hey there. So, you want to start a design business, but you're not sure where to begin. Well, I'm here to tell you that it is possible to start a business without a lot of money. In fact, I did it myself. A couple of months ago, one of our clients, a big fintech company, even wanted to buy our agency for $400,000. Now, I know that's not millions, but we've only been in business for 3 years with a pretty small team, and we've been able to make enough income to have some really great specialists on our team and to invest in their education. It's not a success story yet, but I'm confident that we're on the right track. And I want to share with you how we got here. It all started with a problem. I was a freelancer and had too many clients. And I made an unconscious but suddenly right decision. Instead of just turning down proposals, I decided to double my prices. It was like a barrier. I was sure that no one would be willing to pay that much. But it didn't work out that way. Some of my clients were fine with the new prices. So with such good motivation, I had to do something. I specialized in app wireframing and design, but I was also comfortable with pages, branding, and illustration. I just charged less for those services because they weren't my strong suit. And I had a friend who was a designer who specialized in identity, motion design, and promo pages with a lot of animations. He had a lot of clients too, so we made an agreement. I would take on all of his clients who wanted app design, and he would take on all of my clients who wanted promo and motion design. To make it comfortable for our clients, we started working and meeting together for meetings so there wouldn't be any sudden changes. And we also decided to chip in and hire a junior designer to handle routine tasks. That's how it all began. And it was an unusual situation because most of my friends who owned agencies said that it was a big problem, how to delegate tasks and how to be okay with lower quality work when you start hiring a team. Now, let's talk about how to take that next step from freelancing to building a successful agency. First and foremost, it's important to understand that this process isn't going to be easy or happen overnight. It requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to take risks. One of the first steps to building a successful agency is to identify your strengths and areas of expertise. As a designer, you likely have a specific area of design that you excel at, whether it's app wireframing and design or identity and motion design. It's important to focus on your strengths and build your agency around them. This will not only help you attract the right clients, but it will also ensure that you're providing high-quality work that you can be proud of. Another important step in building a successful agency is to surround yourself with the right team. This includes not only designers, but also developers, project managers, and other professionals who can help you bring your designs to life. When building your team, it's important to look for people who are not only talented, but also share your vision and values. This will ensure that everyone is working towards the same goal and will help to create a positive and productive working environment. As you start to grow your agency, it's also important to keep an eye on your finances. This includes not only managing your expenses, but also finding ways to increase revenue. One way to do this is to raise your prices as your agency becomes more successful and your work becomes more in demand. It's also important to look for ways to diversify your revenue streams, such as offering additional services or creating and selling your own products. Finally, as you build your agency, it's important to stay up to date with the latest industry trends and to constantly strive to improve your work. This includes not only staying informed about new design tools and technologies, but also seeking out feedback and critiques from others in the industry. By doing so, you can ensure that your agency remains relevant and continues to provide high-quality work that stands out from the competition. In conclusion, building a successful design agency takes time, hard work, and dedication. But by focusing on your strengths, building the right team, managing your finances, and staying up to date with the latest industry trend, you can create an agency that not only brings in revenue but also brings value to clients. Sure, so when building a design agency, it's important to remember that it all starts with having a strong team. And building a strong team isn't just about hiring the most experienced designers, it's about finding the right balance of skills and specialties. In my case, my friend and I had complementary skills and specialties, which made it easy for us to work together and grow our agency. One of the key things we did was to focus on building a strong team culture. This means creating a positive and supportive environment where everyone feels valued and respected. It also means being open and transparent with each other and being willing to admit when things aren't working out. Another important aspect of building a successful design agency is to focus on developing a strong and recognizable brand. This means not only having a clear and consistent visual identity, but also having a clear message and value proposition. This helps to establish trust and credibility with clients and makes it easier to attract new business. As your agency grows, it's also important to invest in tools and processes that help to streamline your workflows and improve the quality of your work. This might include investing in project management tools, design software, and other technologies that help to automate repetitive tasks and improve the efficiency of your team. Finally, it's important to remember that building a successful design agency takes time and patience. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way, but with a strong team, a clear vision, and a willingness to adapt and evolve, you can build a thriving agency that creates great work and helps your clients succeed. So if you're thinking about starting your own design agency, take the time to build a strong team, focus on developing a strong brand, invest in the right tools and processes, and remember to be patient and persistent. With the right approach, you can build a successful agency that creates great work and helps your clients succeed. So there you have it, folks, the journey of how we turned a small freelancing gig into a thriving design agency. It wasn't always easy, but with a bit of creativity, a lot of hard work, and a great team, we were able to make it happen. We hope you enjoyed learning about our experience and that it inspires you to chase your own dreams and goals. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more design tips and insights. And if you're ready to take the leap and start your own agency, remember that with a bit of hard work and determination, anything is possible. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.